Hello and welcome to Embedded Room, a place where we learn about embedded technologies. Let's say we have a situation when we are requested to call multiple functions in a consecutive order. Let's say we are requested that these functions have the same prototype structure. For example, we have like this: void main function 1, and to keep it simple we will say this prototype, and we have, for example, 100 functions. Let's say in our case we have 10 functions, so we have 10 prototypes like this. Good. Now let's make also the definitions for each of them. So we will say void main function 1, and we want to only print something, to know hello from function 1. Good. And now we will do it for each of them, for the rest. Good. Now we have 10 functions with the prototypes and the definitions. The best way which I find is to use an array of pointers to functions. We need to initialize the array as follows. We give the functions one by one. So we have the function 1, then we provide the rest of them. Good. Now, if we already have the array, we need only to use it. So for this one, we will create an unsigned int as index and use a for loop for this one. So for index equal to 0, index less than length of the array, which is 10 in our case, we will just call the main array of pointers to functions container, and we give the index and specify that is a function call. Good. Let's run it and see the output for this one. So hello from function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is it. I think it's sufficient to exemplify what we can do in this situation to solve the request easier. Thank you very much. Bye.